welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is top loading Hitachi brand washing machine C3 error message. While we are starting the machine, at the same time it's showing C3 message error message. We cannot machine run any option. We cannot select any option. It's showing occurring continuously C3 and buzzer also buzzering. Because of that, we have to resolve the problem. We have to check what is the problem exactly. We will go to the next step. We have to remove the top cover. This set we can remove. After that, we can check here display PCB and door switch. Also here main control board here, and also pressure switch. Because of that, we have to remove this set. We have to take it up. We have to list off. After that, we can check. Now if it is occurring the same issue with your washing machine, you are facing the same issue, you have to check first of all door lock issue. Maybe the lid maybe not to be properly closed, or the lock mechanism here, door lock. You can see here one door lock, here also door lock, also this one normal door lock, here also one sensor, and we have to check properly these three items. After that only we can find out the problem. Here door lock, and because of the door lock issue, its main issue is door lock issue, and water sensor malfunctioning. Sometime water sensor malfunctioning, at the same time also showing this same error C3. Otherwise some electric problem, maybe the wire cutting or something bitten by the rat or something, at the same time also showing the same issue. Because of that, everything we have to check properly. Now we will go to the next step and we will check. Now we have to disconnect the power. First of all, we have to disconnect the power. Don't forget that one. Now I remove all the screws from the top cover, and I can lift up here like that, and now we can check here. Okay, now we have to check. This is the door switch, which is I told you, this door switch we have to check. Also here all the wires we have to check. Also here door sensor, that one also we have to check. If it is these three items okay, we have to check we have to go to the next step. That's mean main control board, also all the harness and pressure switch, pressure sensor. Now we will check first these three items and try to resolve this issue. This sensor, this is actually the magnetism field, magnet piece here, and this sensor we will remove and check. I already removed this one. Now I will check here. You can see here it is look like it is bad continuity. That means it's already oxided. See the problem actually maybe this one. Now we will clean this one and we will fix. After cleaning we will fix and check. If it is okay, our problem we can resolve. To remove this one, here you can see this one, it is already oxide. Now we have to clean this one and we will check. It should be the problem here, and we will clean first. After that we will refix and check. It's too much, it is corroded already, it is oxide too much. We have to careful, we have to clean, otherwise this pin will break. Now I already clean here, but it's not, I'm not satisfied with this. because we cannot clean. While we are going to clean this one, it will get break because that much is corroded already. Now I'm fixing again. We will check. Already given, and I'm selecting again direct spin. I have to cancel wash cycle, also ring cycle. Now it is 6 minutes remaining. It's showing to the display. Now I'm closing door, and also I'm starting machine. Here it's continuously showing. Now this is the one magnet piece. Here this door already getting locked, this one, but this one not accepting. You can see it's continuously showing C3 error message. Now I'm removing again. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace these parts because this one we cannot repair also. Here is already got damage because of that. Now I having another sensor here, the same sensor. It is new one. Now I'm fixing again here, and now we can check with the magnet. Now it's already door lock here, and it's showing 7 minutes through the display. Now it's still not occurring, showing error message C3. Now you can see here the machine already start spin cycle, is turning drum. Now we troubleshoot the problem already. You can see the drum is rotating. Now problem with this sensor, door sensor is already got defect because of that C3 showing. Now what I'm going to do, I will remove the display. I will remove the magnet piece from here. You can see again it's showing C3. Now again I'm fixing here and restart the machine. Now you can see machine start already. Now this is the problem. This one already got defect. It's not sensing anymore. Now with the new one, its machine is running well. Now you know the problem. Now you occurred. Now we got the problem. It's already door sensor defect. Now we replace already working machine. Now our problem already got solved. We can pre-fix and we can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly.